Hey everybody, alright, well, welcome back. Episode 6 of the passenger car restoration. So, been on a little hiatus, did a little bit of traveling, been doing some other volunteer work elsewhere, and of course just taking a break, which is always healthy for the brain. Did a little bit of work last week. One of my good friends up here at the railway where this car is located at helped me move the water containers so they are out of the way. Today, I think what I'm going to do, might try to do a time lapse, but what I think I might try to do is get a lot of the larger pieces of wood, put them in a little pile here in the corner so they're kind of out of the way, and bag up just some more of that, some more of the copious amounts of just small kind of fibrous material that's all over the place. So, thanks for tuning in and enjoy the video. Okay, I'm keeping the dust mask on for this because it's, well, dusty in here. So I got the truss rods moved out of the way, and just all this crap here on the side ready to be bagged up. And we also have a small pile of wood that can't really be bagged, so I think what I'm going to do, bag as much of this as possible. I'll just leave it stored here in this side of the car for today and call it, because we've been working on the steam engine all morning, so I'm pretty tired, and I was firing steam engine all of yesterday, so that's a humble brag for anybody who's not aware. Well, what can you say? Us railroaders are fairly passionate people, so we love what we do. Yeah, back in a little bit with another video. Oh, and no GoPro because it died on me about a minute in, so I need to check how long I'm supposed to charge the batteries and some of the features about using the time lapse, because I think I'm not sure if I activated that correctly either. So back in a minute with all the bagging done. Right, it's about 6 o'clock, so I'm getting ready to call it here. But there's all our brand new bags of trash. A bunch of sharper stuff that I couldn't get thrown into the bags. They would just puncture the off-brand that I bought. But yeah, so figure out how to get rid of that. That needs to come down before it falls down. A quick side note, this is fiberglass insulation, so this car was updated at some point. It was used in RPO, like repair of way service. They, you know, when you would have large wrecks or accidents, they would send crews out to fix the track. Nowadays they put everybody up in hotels, but back in the day I think they would put everyone in train cars, if I believe. So this was used for that at one point. Not sure if I mentioned that before. Next major project is going to be to clean up this table and this refrigerator. Not sure how to do that besides carefully pulling the refrigerator off and then just cutting up the table and continuing to bag up all of that extra crap. As for the hallway, since we can see it a little bit more, I think what I'm going to have to do to get into here and clean it is to actually, there are windows on this side, but take the screens off the windows. You see the screens there? I'll take the screens off, go in through the windows, and try and get as much out that side of the car, bag it up, and carry it out of here. So, more work to do, but it is a big project. Anyways, thanks for tuning in and watching.